In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and Bamboo Primary won and decided to send Ascot Primary batting first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so at that time on the clock we begin with Ascot. Bible knowledge, which of these siblings was older, Miriam or Moses?
Moses.
Incorrect, Miriam. Bible knowledge, Bamboo, which of these siblings was older? Was it Rachel or Leah?
Leah.
That's right. Science, Ascot, which blood cells in the human body carry oxygen?
Capillaries.
Incorrect. Red blood cells, Bamboo. Science, what is the name for the yellowish watery part of blood that carries nutrients, proteins and waste products to and from different parts of the human body?
Bile.
Incorrect. It's plasma. Ascot, Jamaican affairs, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Anthony Hilton.
Incorrect. It's Ramon Small Ferguson, Senator. Jamaican affairs, a visual question. Bamboo, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Kamina Johnson Smith.
Incorrect. Dr. Maziki Tame, Senator. English language, Ascot, spell injustice.
Mine, INJUSTICE.
That's correct. English language, Bamboo, spell industrious.
Mine, INDUSTRIOUS.
That's correct. Television, a visual question, Ascot. Look at the monitor and identify this animated movie character.
King Ferguson.
Incorrect. It's Lord Farquaad from Shrek. Television, a visual question, Bamboo. Look at the monitor and identify this animated movie character.
Blackfire.
Incorrect. It's Thelonious, also from Shrek. General knowledge, Ascot, in what month are presidential elections held in the United States of America?
September.
Incorrect. It's November. Bamboo, general knowledge, in what month is Martin Luther King Day celebrated in the United States of America?
January.
That's correct. Ascot, social studies, what is the name for the shock waves from an earthquake that traveled through the ground?
Craters.
Incorrect. Seismic waves. Social studies, Bamboo, what is the name for smaller tremors or quakes that happen after a large earthquake?
Afterquake.
Incorrect. Aftershocks. Music, a visual question, Ascot. Look at the monitor and identify this singer.
Lana Del Rey.
Incorrect. CeCe Winans. Music, a visual question, Bamboo. Look at the monitor and identify this singer.
Beyonce.
Incorrect. Erica Campbell. Ascot, mathematics, how many composite numbers are between 10 and 20 exclusive?
Four.
Incorrect. It's 5. Mathematics, Bamboo, how many composite numbers are between 20 and 30 exclusive?
Four.
Incorrect. It's 7. Ascot, sports, in which sport was the late Hulk Hogan a legend?
Cricket.
Incorrect. Wrestling, sports, Bamboo, in which sport was the late Michael McCallum a legend?
Boxing.
That's right. Jamaican affairs, Ascot, who is the... And we don't have time for that. Or any more questions in this section. The scores are Ascot Primary on 1 and Bamboo Primary on 4. Now, before we head to a quick break, here's a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Exercise before studying to boost focus and mood. Thank you so much, Guardian Achiever, for that tip. Please stay with us. Season 22 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.